Hey, remember those live sub battles between PewDiePie and T-Series? Yeah, they're gone, but YouTube still kept your own subscriber count. But to see your own subscriber count, you need to download a third-party extension, and that is called Social Blade. So just go to the Chrome Web Store and search Social Blade. It will take some time. And all you have to do is click on the first result that comes in, and then you click on Add to Chrome or Add to Brave. So long as your browser is supported, I don't know which browsers Social Blade supports, but it works on Chrome and Brave and many browsers actually. So then you want to go to your YouTube Studio, and then you'll see that you'll have the Social Blade extension icon, and then you'll have this extra tab right over here, live subscriber count. Click on it, and then you'll have your live subscriber count. Why do you need this? This will come in handy. Let's say if you're a streamer, YouTube streamer, then you can click on your streamer mode, and then you can add this. I know my face is green right now. You can add this to your stream, and then people can see your live subscriber count on the stream, which is awesome. And today's comment question is, do you miss live sub counts? I have, and I just wish YouTube did not. I just wish YouTube hadn't removed it. If they want to bring it back, then that's great. But leave your answer in the comments below. And yeah, peace out.